Okay, my name is Sring Mungyu, and I'm an ex-drug user. And I've been to, I suffer almost 15 years, and I've been to jail for years, and 3 times, and rehabilitation for 6, 7 times, and even I, been to mental hospital in 2 times, and my 15 years goes like suffer like that, and then my family relations and all, they don't trust me, and they think that I'm useless, and then one day, I got a release from the one of the custody from after 3 months with the 25,000 bill, and I paid the 25. My mom paid, no, I paid. My mom paid 25,000, and I just released from there, and there I started thinking to, doing volunteer in rehabilitation like this, and then I start doing volunteer, and then there what I found is, my experience works, my experience help other people, so that I enjoy, and then there I found the meaning of my life, the purpose of my life, because before I thought myself I'm worthless, I'm useless, I'm good for nothing. Why me, God? Always I ask to the God, why me? Like that. And then I try suicide also 2 times. I attempt the suicide 2 times, and then my life, and then my life changes. And when I saw the people, and then I thought that now I should start myself. Then I started sober recovery, and now we have almost treated, thousands of, people, where so many people has gone and recovered. They have a positive life, and then we have recently we have one of the Narcotic Bureau, Nepal government magazine. They have recommended us also in the magazine for awareness, which is a big achievement for me. And then we work as is a sober recovery. Our center name is Sober Recovery Treatment and Rehabilitation Center, and it's a pro bono basis. We work as a pro bono basis. We charge according to their status. Some of them are free of cost, and some of them charge 5,000 to 6,000 a month, some 8,000 to 10,000. And then our expenses is, as I told, that it's quite high, and so we have to collect all these things and make it like, and then we have to pay the house rent, staff salary, and fooding, medicine, pen, book, copy, everything, stationaries, because we have a lot of class here. We have a lot of classes in the center, so everything we have to do, by ourselves. So it's really hard, it's a hard time, but because of, I enjoy, so I don't want to leave this work, because I'm enjoying, because I get my, I get the respect from this, service. Before that, everybody says, oh, don't go with him, don't talk with him. Even my mom don't trust me, Then when I start doing this, I enjoying, because I get my name, I get the respect, my purpose of life. Because of my experience, so many people have a positive life.